Hello everyone, here we are out in the barn getting ready to feed the cattle here. You can see we have it swept out, everything's nice and clean, and all the cows are up waiting for the feed. There's our salt block there, it's all ready to go, and we just swept all the feed down here to the end for some of our cow seed. They like to clean up whatever we have left. So there is the herd, and we'll go out here, have the TMR mixer running. Let's walk out to the TMR mixer. You can see there is a alfalfa bale that is opened up. That is part of what is in the feed. TMR mixer just kind of mixes everything together. So here is the mixer. You can see it getting mixed up there a little bit. Walk around, show you how much the weight is. I forgot to turn it on here. Absolutely cold out, so it takes a while for everything to start working. Let's just run this in here. This lever right here is what we'll use to open up the door. And say it says 130.5. I don't think that's right. Pounds. If you zero it out before you put the feed in, or even after, it'll weigh out how much feed you have in. We just do it by scoops. How many scoops of corn fodder, and then we do loads of the hay. Timothy is in there, alfalfa, some grass hay, and then a couple scoops of corn fodder, and then we have a mineral pack that we will also throw in, mix into the feed. See, they are absolutely, they love this mix. Waiting for it. Nice, the TMR mixer is self-propelled, so we can pour everything in it and then just drive it down and dump it out right up at the feed lot for the cows. So you can see that salt block again right there against the water, and they'll just go over and lick that whenever they want. Here, I'm going to back up. Get to the end here, I'll show you the blades as the augers that mix it up. Look at that guy, he has his hoof right up, he's waiting for the feed. He says, or she says, bring me some feed. Down through with this, that they're getting some fresh food, and they're always excited. And there's Tizzy. She just kind of gets bumped around from pen to pen. We put her where we need her, and usually try not to get too close to the waters. They just kind of push the food back in around the waters and waste it. So we keep it away from that. And back up and just kind of dump the food where they can get it, and they will have this all cleaned up fairly quickly. Especially now that the colder weather's setting in, they tend to eat a lot more. Keep their body heat. There you have it, feeding time on the farm.
Augers, you can see they're spinning around in there, and they are really sharp. So that's what cuts up the hay and kind of mixes everything together, and then allows it to get spit out the little door down there. You can see that's kind of how it is. There you can see we're at 0 pounds, and I hope you enjoyed this video of us feeding the cattle with our TMR mixer. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.